Welcome to Pente Spotlight. I'm Emily, your built-in reality check. Today we're unpacking a concept that challenges a lot of AI hype, something called jagged intelligence.
And I'm Lucas, your tech enthusiast co-host. Yeah, this idea is basically a reminder that AI isn't as smooth or consistently smart as people think. It can be brilliant in one moment and completely miss the mark the next.
Exactly. The idea of jagged intelligence highlights how AI systems don't improve evenly across all tasks. They can perform at a high level in specific areas like writing or coding, but struggle with simple reasoning or context in others.
And we've all seen that. You ask an AI something complex and it nails it. Then you ask a basic follow-up and suddenly it gets confused.
Which raises a serious concern. If performance is inconsistent, how do we trust these systems in real-world applications, especially in high-stakes areas like healthcare, finance, or law?
That's the challenge. AI isn't generally intelligent. It's highly specialized and pattern-driven. It doesn't truly understand things the way humans do.
And that misunderstanding often leads to overconfidence, both from users and organizations deploying these systems.
True, but the flip side is that even with these limitations, AI can still be incredibly useful when applied correctly, especially for repetitive or well-defined tasks.
Provided people understand its boundaries, because treating AI as consistently reliable can lead to errors that are hard to detect.
That's why this concept matters. It reframes the conversation from AI is getting smarter to AI is uneven, and we need to manage that unevenness.
Let's zoom out. This has implications for businesses, too. If companies assume AI will perform uniformly across tasks, they may over-automate and under-supervise.
Exactly. The smarter approach is to use AI where it's strong and keep humans involved where judgment and context matter.
My takeaway? AI isn't a straight line of progress. It's jagged, unpredictable, and requires careful oversight.
And mine, understanding these limitations doesn't weaken AI's value. It actually helps us use it more effectively.
That's all from today's Pente Spotlight. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Until next time, stay curious, stay thoughtful, and don't assume your AI always knows what it's doing.